Today, we're tackling Firebase versus OneSignal for push notifications in 2026. But spoiler alert, they aren't actually direct competitors. I know, it sounds crazy, right? They aren't mutually exclusive at all. Think of comparing your home's copper plumbing pipes to a high-end smart shower system. One literally relies on the other. Okay, let's dive into this. When a message sends, it travels from your server, through a platform, to the OS gateway, and finally the device. Those OS gateways, they are strictly mandatory. To put it simply, Firebase Cloud Messaging, or FCM, is just the postal service. It provides raw delivery pipes for Android. It drops the envelope at the door, but offers zero marketer dashboard. Out of the box, FCM gives you free transport and basic topics. It's a fantastic, powerful backbone, but let's be super clear. It is built strictly for developers, not for marketers. Enter OneSignal. This is a fully managed platform sitting right on top of FCM and APNs. It basically abstracts away the heavy engineering lifting, wrapping delivery in a gorgeous user-friendly dashboard. This completely empowers marketing teams. With a no-code UI and automated flows, you can ship complex campaigns in literally days without ever needing a dev to write custom database queries. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the sheer feature gap. Comparing raw transport directly to a SaaS platform reveals exactly what you're missing in out-of-the-box usability and segmentation. And hey, I know FCM is technically free, but that only covers transport. DIY infrastructure has hidden costs, like cloud functions, database reads, and debugging some really tricky token logic. So, the crucial point is this. If a dev spends just 15 hours a month maintaining FCM, that's roughly $1,200 in hidden costs. Suddenly, free looks incredibly expensive. Going direct with FCM means building custom APIs and managing tokens from scratch. OneSignal handles token registration entirely behind the scenes, meaning you get to ship your app fundamentally faster. And you'll need that extra time. On Android, you must navigate strict OS rules, mandatory notification channels, background execution limits, and aggressive battery optimizers that just love killing background processes. Handling token churn and silent delivery failures with FCM, you're writing the retry logic yourself? OneSignal manages stale tokens and deduplication completely automatically. It is a huge headache relief. Let's move to iOS and see how this builds. Apple's APNs is totally non-negotiable. You must navigate specific off keys, and securing critical alerts requires getting explicit entitlements directly from Apple. Setup differs wildly here. Firebase relies on method swizzling to intercept callbacks, whereas OneSignal uses a notification service extension, which effortlessly enables rich media like images and action buttons. Quick note for cross-platform devs out there. Whether you use React Native or Flutter, you're totally covered. Both platforms feature mature official SDKs. Your framework absolutely won't limit your choice. And this brilliantly illustrates where paths diverge. FCM gives you basic topics, while OneSignal offers a rich audience builder. This is exactly why marketing teams usually demand migrating away from raw FCM. Same story for analytics. FCM requires building custom BigQuery exports just to see what's happening. OneSignal provides actionable delivery, open, and opt-out reports instantly right inside the dashboard. Don't forget security in 2026. Device tokens are personal data under GDPR. Never expose server API keys, and time your permission prompts perfectly to maximize your opt-in rates. Switching platforms mid-flight? Just follow these steps. Audit your use cases, run a dual send to validate everything, safely import your tokens, and only then smoothly sunset the old SDK calls. The final verdict: choose a custom Firebase build if you want zero SaaS dependencies, purely transactional alerts, and actually have the high engineering bandwidth to maintain the plumbing yourself. On the flip side, buying into OneSignal makes perfect sense if marketing needs independence, you require multi-channel messaging, and shipping in a matter of days is your absolute top priority. Speaking of shipping fast, for the absolute ultimate shortcut in building modern app infrastructure, you have to visit appofweb.com and convert your website to mobile app today. So you now understand exactly how these delivery pipes function beneath the surface. The only question left is, you've got the plumbing, but what incredible experiences are you going to build on top of them?